Your new roof replacement looking sketchy? Here's how to tell if it's actually bad and what to do about it. So, when you're checking out a new roof, first off, don't just look at the price tag. Like, cheap doesn't always mean bad, but super cheap often means corners got cut. Make sure the crew installing it has solid experience, because even storm chasers sometimes hire legit subs who know their stuff. Ask for references or photos of past jobs they've done so you're not just guessing. Keep an eye on the materials being used. Good quality shingles and proper underlayment make a huge difference. If you spot crooked shingles, uneven nail placement, or flashing that looks thrown on, those are red flags. Also, don't be shy to ask the contractor if they supervise the crew regularly. Some companies do, some don't, and it matters a lot. Remember, a well-done roof isn't just about looking good. It's about lasting through storms without leaks. And if you're ever unsure, getting a second opinion from a trusted roofing inspector can save you a ton of headache later. One of the biggest mistakes with roof replacements is hiring the cheapest bid without checking who's actually doing the work. Sometimes it's a random crew that just got hired last minute, which often leads to sloppy jobs. The fix? Always ask who's going to be on your roof and check their track record before signing anything. Another common issue is not inspecting the work during the process. Some contractors just drop off crews and ghost, so problems get missed until it's too late. The fix here is to choose a contractor who stays involved and checks the crew's work regularly. This usually costs a bit more but saves a lot in the long run. The third mistake is ignoring the quality of materials because they seem too expensive or unnecessary. Low-quality shingles or bad flashing can cause leaks and damage fast. The fix is insisting on quality materials and knowing what's standard in your area so you can spot when something's off. BigHomeProjects.com is an awesome spot for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing without the usual stress. It also helps contractors get real work by connecting them with folks who need dependable pros for big jobs like roofing and remodeling.